Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it is the Vegan Kind beauty box. I also have their snack box, which I'm going to unbox in just a momento. But the Vegan Kind beauty box is a vegan beauty box. I paid for this myself. I think I've actually just cancelled my subscription just because I'm moving house and I want to save some money. But I've loved having it. It's such a good box. I can't remember how much it costs because of my rubbish YouTube, but I'll put it on the screen for you. This is the April-May edition. It's like a bi-monthly doodad. And it says what's inside your box. It's packed with a whole lot of kindness. Overall box value is £75 plus. That's all it says. I haven't got any discount codes, but I think they do have a discount code on their website all the time. If you use the code vegan, you can get £5 off any box, whether it's this one or the snack box. Let's get in. So the first I've got is Faith in Nature hair mask. I love Faith in Nature stuff. It's just dragon fruit. Yesterday, this is completely off topic, but yesterday I was doing a food shop online. I was like, girls, what do you think you'd like to try this week? Because I make the kids try new foods every week. And Ari came over to me and went, I'd like to try dragon fruit. I was like, of course you fucking would when I can't find one. But yeah, I've never had one. Oh, it smells good though. Oh my god, it's liquidy, look. So there's like a layer, it's like a yogurt. You know when you get like on the top of your yogurt, you get the water. That smells fucking incredible. Oh my god. It made my mouth water. That smells so nice. Okay, $6.99, established in 1974. Faith in Nature believe in harnessing the power of nature without harming it. Our products are made from the highest quality, naturally derived, cruelty-free ingredients with 100% natural fragrance. Oh my god, if that's what a dragon fruit smells like, I need to eat it. They work beautifully. This brand new hair mask is made with antioxidant rich dragon fruit essential oil to revitalise your hair and scalp. No parabens or SLS, vegan, cruelty-free, 100% natural origin, 100% recyclable and recycled and recyclable packaging. Shampoo your hair as you normally would. We recommend using the Faith in Nature shampoo. And then apply the mask and leave it for 3 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water for detangled, nourished hair. I'm very excited to use that because it literally smells amazing. So excited. Next up, I've got a Bellapierre Brown Eyed Girl eyeshadow palette worth $28.99. $28.99? That can't be right. This is tiny. Why is it at the moment with beauty boxes giving us palettes like... There's no way. No one's paying £28 for that. I mean, it's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that shimmer. Look at the shimmer. 28 quid can piss right off. It's a beautiful colour. It's a nice. It's just glitter. But yeah, £28. Piss off. Who was it? What was the other box I did recently that had a... That was glossy, wasn't it? That had that little tiny palette in. No one's paying that for them. That glitter is absolutely banging. But 28 quid, jog on. Highly pigmented, super blendable eyeshadow palette featuring 1 rich cherry brown, 2 shimmers and 1 chromatic rose gold shade. 4 expertly coordinated shades for multiple eye looks. Yeah, $28.99, no. Beautiful, but no, it's not happening. Next, I've got... Vegan by Happy Skin. I think it's not like, I think it's like, because it's on 2 lines, vegan. Unless it's just vegan. I don't know why you put it on 1 line. The perfect skin balancer after cleansing is natural ingredient, aloe vera juice, chamomile and candula. This natural antioxidant rich formula is a great addition to your current skincare. You just use after cleansing and then press it onto your face. 1% of Happy Skin website sales go to charity. $34.99. $34.99. Oh my god. $34.99. That's more expensive than the Fenty one. Fucking hell. Let's give this a smell. Doesn't really smell much. $34.99. Christ. Next, I've got Ciate, and it is a watermelon burst hydrating lip oil. I've had this before. This is £7. This is the deluxe. I think this is a little like a mini one, but this is £7. Hydrate and smooth your lips with some extra TLC with Ciate's watermelon lip oil infused with watermelon and avocado and jojoba oils. This hybrid Formula combines hydration of a balm with the shine of a gloss. Non-sticky. Let's see. I'm going to do the hair test. It smells nice. Feels good. Looks nice and shiny. Let's do the hair test. Sticky. Sticky. Tastes yummy though. We like that. And then the last thing is a sheet mask. Oh, and it's one of my favourite ones. It is a Beauty Pro plant-based coconut infused sheet mask. I've had this before and I absolutely love it. They do these ones in various different scents and they're all really, really lovely. This is £4.95, extremely nourishing and moisturising to the skin. This coconut mask boasts reparative properties and antibacterial benefits, locking moisture into the skin for deep hydration. This will leave your skin looking fresh and dewy and 100% plant-based. This mask contains superfood ingredients, blends of vitamin E, amino acids and coconut that is grown and sourced from Thailand. So that is the box. I think that was lovely. I mean, I'll use this eyeshadow palette, but I wouldn't pay for this eyeshadow palette, if that makes sense. I don't feel like anyone should pay £28.99 for 4 eyeshadows. That's redonkulonk. Yeah, if you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.